welcome back to my channel and hope you all doing well. So today I am going to share with you all a perfect magical homemade hair oil recipe, and this oil can be used to treat every hair problem like hair fall, dandruff and split ends. It is an amazing remedy to stop hair fall and promote hair growth. It is very nourishing and also antifungal that helps in most of the hair problems. This homemade herbal oil is very effective in preventing hair loss, and it helps to get rid of hair thinning and helps in regrowth of hair. So you can get silky, shiny, strong, healthy hair naturally. And everyone can use it, male, female, kids, everyone. So let's get into this recipe. So for this we need coconut oil, castor oil, fenugreek seeds and Blackseeds or Kalonji. You can take any brand of this oil that you like. Here I have taken 100% organic virgin coconut oil and is cold pressed and unrefined. And this one is 100% pure castor oil from Now. I got this one from Amazon. And here I have fenugreek seeds and Blackseeds that I got the regular one from Indian grocery store. Coconut oil is very nourishing and moisturizing. It has all the vitamins and essential fatty acids which nourish the scalp, so it's very beneficial for your hair. Castor oil has omega-6 fatty acids, and when you massage onto your scalp, it helps increasing the blood circulation, which improves hair growth. And as it is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, it helps to get rid of dandruff too. But as it is very thick, we take it as a carrier. Usually we mix it with another oil. Fenugreek seeds have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which is good to cure dandruff and hair fall. It's good for treating variety of scalp issues like dryness, baldness and hair thinning. It strengthens the hair follicles and promote hair growth. It also has detangling properties that helps combat frizz and promote shiny and soft hair. Then black seeds or kalonji or onion seeds, nigella seeds, it has so many names. So it's rich in essential oil which nourish the hair and promote hair growth. It makes the hair healthy and shiny. It prevents hair loss. Its anti-inflammatory properties clear various types of dandruff and maintain the scalp clean. So first thing we need to do is we'll make a fine powder of both the fenugreek and black seeds. I am grinding both the seeds separate as they are different in size and take different amount of time to make a fine powder. So it's better to grind them separate and try to make them as fine as you can, as we are not going to strain it out. We'll leave this in the oil only. Next we will warm the coconut oil. Do it on low to medium flame. We are not doing it smoking hot, just warm it to melt only. Once it's done, we'll add all other things while the oil will be still warm. Now I switched off the flame and adding castor oil. It's like for 1 cup of coconut oil, I am adding 1/4 cup of castor oil. Then I am adding 2 to 3 spoons of the fenugreek seeds powder and also 2 to 3 spoons of the black seeds powder. Then mix it properly and we'll leave it to cool down completely. Once it's cooled down, we'll store it in an airtight container. Here I have this glass container. I'll transfer the oil into this. Make sure to store it in the glass container rather than the plastic one. We'll keep this top too with this oil. Now we'll keep it aside like this for 1 to 2 weeks. We'll leave the oil to infuse, and in between just keep shaking the jar for 1 to 2 times in a day. After 2 weeks we'll open the lid and the oil will be ready to use. You can store this oil up to months. Just few things you have to make sure. Store the oil in a glass container, and before oiling make sure your hair is nice and clean. Apply the oil within 1 or 2 days after the hair wash. So you can use this oil twice a week and you will see the result in 4 to 5 weeks. Give it little time, try to use at least for a month, then you will start seeing the result. Like these are the home remedies and it takes little time to adapt with your skin and react. So give it little time. Homemade remedies are very useful and beneficial. And this homemade oil is perfect to promote hair growth and prevent breakage and split ends as well, and also help you to retain your length. So do try it and let me know how it works for you. So this is all for today's video. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and also share with your loved ones. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.